everyone! Come with us to Unisan Sands White Beach Resort in Unisan, Quezon. Kapag nakita mo na ang signage na to, it means malapit na tayo sa ating pupuntahan. Medyo balubak ang daan at maya-maya lang mawawalan na ng signal ang inyong cellphones. This is a good place to visit if you want to disconnect. Upon entering, makikita mo kaagad ang reception area. This is where you settle your balance and pay for the full price. We rented this villa called Bahay Kubo na good for 8 packs. This is worth 12,000 pesos inclusive of the use of the resort amenities. 2 kubo nga pala ang ni-rent namin. We are 19 packs in total, so we also had to pay 450 pesos per head in excess of the 16 packs. Oo nga pala, pet-friendly ang resort na to. Wala ding pet fee na kailangang bayaran. Free of use din pala ang mga bench and tables outside your villa. Pati na din yung mga grills na pwedeng pag-ihawan. Pwede ka ding mag-set up ng chairs sa grass area. Kung gusto mo namang magtayo ng tent, meron ditong camp area, but you have to pay 200 pesos per tent. Meron din naman silang mga cottages for rent. You can also play volleyball dito. Bring your own bola nga lamang. White sand nga pala ang nasa shore ng kanilang beach. Meron din sila ditong seawater pool na pwede mong pag-swimmingan. Bukod pa dyan, meron ding swimming pool na matatagpuan sa may clubhouse. They also have a restaurant which is also placed in the clubhouse. Madaming areas sa resort na talaga namang picturesque, and you'll get to enjoy the peace because of the exclusivity of the place. At sunset, naglo-low tide ang dagat. Regardless, you'd still get to enjoy the view of the sunset. For dinner, nagbaon kami ng mga lulutuin. Wala silang corkage fee by the way. Pwede ka din palang magdala ng sarili mong portable karaoke or speaker. By morning, nag-high tide na ang dagat. We decided to walk around the resort. Mataas na ang araw kahit 6 a.m. pa lang. We also discovered na may grotto pala sila inside the resort. So after flights of stairs, we finally made it to the top. Napakaganda ng view from way up here. After a while, bumalik na kami for breakfast. It's so refreshing to have breakfast na dagat ang view. Mapapatambay ka talaga, mapapalakad. At mapapalangoy. But of course, limited lang ang oras natin. Kaya we started preparing na din to go home. Check-out time is 12 noon. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang group picture. This is the outing of our small company nga pala. This is DUB Computer and Printer Services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ito nga pala ang aming parents, the business owners. Thank you po!